Good morning friends, welcome back. Today is Thursday, it is 6:30 now and we are having a late morning because Adi is having a 2-hour delay at school. So he has to go 2 hours late to school, so that means the bus will come around 10 o'clock. So we have some time today because they had a snow delay like early dismissal 2 days back, and from yesterday they are having a 2-hour delay to school because of bad weather. And I think the weather, like the temperature right now is like 1 degree Fahrenheit, so that is like what, 15, 16, whatever it is in Celsius. Before I used to check everything, the weather in centigrade when we initially came here, but now we are getting used to this Fahrenheit because everyone tells in Fahrenheit and it's like getting used to. So it is like the coldest day of this year, and so anyway, the good thing is that we are having a late morning and preparing a late breakfast. So not special breakfast, like I had posted a video last time about a breakfast thali meals that we prepare, and everyone was like, we feel like eating it. Even I feel like eating it almost. Whenever someone can prepare for me, I'll be so ready to eat it. But even we don't prepare it that often, only when guests come. That is like a reason to prepare such an elaborate breakfast. But yeah, today I am preparing upma for breakfast. So I think kids and we all will like it, to eat a warm breakfast on a very, very cold day. So what did you all eat for breakfast, or what are you planning to eat for breakfast today? Do let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, let's start preparing. So I've taken half a cup of rava here, roasting it. And meanwhile I have kept the ingredients ready. So cumin seeds, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, cashews, maybe I'll put one green chili also, and I have onion and one tomato to chop up. Don't go anywhere, I'll just be back. Okay, so everything is ready. Heating up some oil and going to roast all of this. Yes, all that I require. Curry leaves, you stay here and let's all go down. Okay, now it's time to add the onions and the green chili and the curry leaf. Little bit of asafoetida. Now let's slide in these tomatoes, salt, turmeric. Let's add in this water. Okay, so once the water starts boiling, slide in this rava. Make sure to mix it, and then just let it cook.
Yeah, square. You see that now? Yeah. Star.
Star. Okay. Star ka ariya Anjali.
Yeah, and korchi kai cylinder or shapes. Sphere. Sleepy. Coach. Bye.
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 Breakfast time.
Yeah. And it comes in that shape.
Yes.
It comes in that shape. Yay!
Little ghee on top. Milk in there?
Yeah. We did last time.
I don't think you are going to eat all of this, Anjali, but this shape she wants. You're welcome. Okay, there. Breakfast is going to go on for some time, and by that time I'm going to prepare the lunch. So carrot, cabbage and green peas stir fry here, and since I'm preparing that for lunch, I'm also preparing Adi's lunch box side by side. So I'm making a chapati roll and with the same ingredients. So I just grated the carrot and cabbage and some spring onions here and 2 small pieces of chicken. So this is the chicken from the Tyson brand, which I got from Costco the other day. So if you have seen my haul, you would have seen. And yeah, so I'm gonna just make a quick roll for him and get the lunch box going. So I'm just applying a little bit of hot mustard. It's very little spicy, but just for the flavor. So I'll add a tiny bit. Good job!
Thank you.
Okay, washing the chota. A few grapes. Few banana chips, his new favorite, 1 cheese stick. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that is a leftover from Anjali's. So I am going to eat my breakfast now. And both of them are giving my, yeah.
Take one, okay? And then there's a mother picture.
They are giving my multivitamin tablets. Competition for picking the gummies out of that jar. They're difficult, aren't they?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
What is that number?
3,
Okay.
2,
1. Yeah. Now count and keep.
Either keep it. 1. This one. A number in the 2. 2 Yeah, that's 2.
Count and keep. 1 പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വെക്ക്.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Very
Good job.
good.
Standing line. This is slanting line. And this is sleeping line. Anjali trace ചെയ്ത് നോക്ക്.
I don't make it the veranda.
Just a trace here. Standing line, trace. Slanting line. Good.
Yeah, ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ നല്ല ശരി.
Yeah.
കുറച്ച് പോയിട്ട് കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Yay! Anjali, I think chalk easier out.
Yeah, pink chalk. W Josh, yeah. Pink chalk.
Trace it.
Make a blue one. Make a pink one.
Okay.
Because I fake is pink.
Okay.
Let me do it.
Keep going.
That's here.
Yes.
Yes. And then just sit there. Sit there. Oh. Very good. 1, yeah, 2, yeah, 3. Here, thanks. You're welcome. Pink dots. Let me see. This change up. അവരനല്ല ഇവര് മോളിന് very close. Sleeping light.
Yay! Bath ചെയ്യാൻ പോയിക്കോട്ടോ. കഴിഞ്ഞാ like 5 minutes.
Okay.
What? What happened?
Okay.
എന്താ പറ്റിയേ?
Lila.
Lazy?
No.
Okay. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞ 5 minutes കഴിഞ്ഞ് പോയാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ.
Okay.
അലക്സോട് പറഞ്ഞു 5 minutes.
Alexa, 5 minutes.
5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. To see a longer list, take a look at the Alexa app. Did that answer your question?
No. Set timer 5 minutes. Set time 5
Thanks for the
minutes.
feedback.
Mister, thanks for the feedback. Alexa, set timer 5 minutes. Set timer 5 minutes.
Starting now.
Good job.
Okay, so the breakfast is done and going to prepare lunch. We're always preparing some sort of food, right? Anyways, the carrot stir fry is ready and I'm preparing a quick pulao to go along with it. And this pulao is a little special because my mom taught me how to make it and I feel like I haven't seen a recipe quite like this anywhere. So I'll show you how we make it. So here we have 1 cup of rice soaking in water and I have kept all these ingredients here. We have mint, handful of mint, handful of cilantro, a few curry leaves and 2 cloves of garlic, green chili, cinnamon and yeah, a few cloves. So I'm just going to grind everything together. So this looks like this and there is some ghee getting heated up there, the onions and this mixture into that and then just roast it, then adding these cashews and raisins. So you can add any vegetables that you want to. I have just added potatoes and carrots since we already have the cabbage stir fry there. So yeah, add any vegetables that you want to and make it a mixed vegetable pulao. Then I will add in the drained rice. Then I'll add in the water and salt and just let everything cook. Okay, so there is no other masala powders or anything like that, but it still has a very nice flavor. So I hope you try it out for your next meal. Now it is 9:30. In some time we have to go drop Adi at his bus stop. How's the weather, Adi? Looks sunny.
I think there's snow. See? Yeah. Snow.
Very little snow.
Yeah, very little snow. Okay, so I get my lunch box. These 2 are my snacks of chocolate milk and a granola bar. And this is my water bottle.
Water bottle?
Huh?
Water bottle?
Water bottle.
Huh?
What? Water bottle.
Okay. Amma, this ശരിയാക്കട്ടെ മുടി.
Are you doing it to the side?
Yes, to your right side.
Okay.
Is this what you want? Look.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Vaseline, take your lips, okay?
Okay.
We are getting ready to go to the bus stop and Anjali's going to sit here with my husband. He is actually on a meeting, but she's going to sit here. It's very cold outside and I'm going to drop him. And I had promised her that she would get a granola bar when we go outside and drop Adi. So when I checked inside, there was none of them available. And I asked Adi if he could share it. And he was so sweet to give his snack. Who gave you this, Anjali?
I'm Adi.
So what did you say?
Thank you, Adi.
Is Adi so sweet? Give a kiss to Adi.
Adi, kiss you.
You're so sweet, Adi. I love you so much. You're a very, very, very good brother.
Okay, open.
Open ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാൻ.
Okay. രാവിലെ വെച്ചിട്ട് open ചെയ്തിട്ട്. ഇതിന് full open ചെയ്യണം. Yeah. That cover it. Here you go. Over there, go.
Thank you, Adi. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Bye. Anjali, go upstairs and sit, okay? Achanda room. Bye.
Bye.
Do you also want to experience the 5-degree weather? Oh my god. It's like freezing. I can't even explain. Can't even imagine a day colder than this. My nose has started watering. It's like all sunny and bright and all, but so sharp, biting cold. And what are we going to do, Anjali, now? What do you want to do now?
That's Anam.
Yes, Anam. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Study time.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Yenda the hero.
Yeah. What is this?
Pan.
Hands. What is this?
Ja.
Very good. So this morning has been relaxed and late, but yet I guess we got a lot of things done. We got breakfast, lunchbox and lunch prepared, and we're getting some work done here. So it's been a happy morning. Even though it's cold outside, it's bright and sunny, and whenever it's bright and sunny, I feel so good. I feel like when it's a bright day, we get a lot of things done. Do you all feel that too? Let me know in the comments down below. And we are going to do more of this.
I'm going to show you egg.
Okay.
You?
Good job. Very good. So I hope you all enjoyed our late morning routine, and I hope you are also having a great morning or afternoon or evening wherever you're watching this video from, and I will see you all in our next one. Until then, take care and
Bye-bye.
bye.
Take care.